in this tutorial we are going to see how to download and use a free Angular template, and we will see also how to do the upgrade of the Angular version if the template was built with a lower version of Angular than the version that we use in our laptop. You can use any free templates from your choice, but in this tutorial I suggest you this template, CoreUI. You can download it for free from the official site here. But in fact I did this operation before, but it didn't work for me. I think that in the website template is not up to date. So what I suggest to you when you want to download any other templates is to look for it on GitHub repository. Here is you can just type CoreUI GitHub Angular and you will find it here. You go to the repository on GitHub and you download it. Here in GitHub, in the description they say that it's built with Angular 15, but we will see if it's true or not, because here also we have that is a free Angular 14, so it's 15 or 14. We will see this after downloading the code. To download, we just click here and download a zip. I have already did this operation, so I have here the zip file. We extract this file. Okay, and after that we open it with Visual Studio. New folder, because this I will open a new folder. We will close this and open a new empty workspace. I will open a folder here. We will open this. Okay. Let's stop. And here we are going to verify the version of Angular that is used in this template. We just go to this file, package.json, and we look for the CLI and Angular CLI and Angular car CLI. So here we see that the Angular CLI it's 14, and also Angular core here Angular core it's 14, so we use Angular 14, and in my laptop I have the Angular 15. To know the version of Angular in your laptop, you just open the CMD and you type ng version, and you will have here the version Angular CLI 15. So it's the Angular 15. So what we have to do here, we have to do the upgrade for the upgrade of the Angular in the template. To do this, we just go to the official site of Angular, upgrade, Angular. We just do like this, and here is the official site, Angular updates guide. We choose here from 2, so it's from 14 to 15. Application complexity, so it's basic, it's just templates. And other dependency, I use Inchi upgrade, no, I use Angular material, I use Windows, yeah, and show me how to update. So before you update, what we have, you don't need to do anything before moving between this version. Update to the new version, review changes and perform the actions to update your application. So what we will do is to make sure that you are using a supported version of Node.js before you upgrade your application. Angular 15 supports Node.js version from 14 and higher. So here we have Node.js 18, so it's supported. Okay, we just do this to mark it, and make sure that you are using a supported version of TypeScript before you upgrade your application Angular. So the TypeScript version, it should be 4.8 or later. We will see what is the version of TypeScript that we use. So just do F, and we will look for it here, TypeScript type. Okay, and here we use TypeScript 4.7, which is not supported, so we have to upgrade the TypeScript. We just open a new terminal. We have two commands that can do this operation. This one, npm update, or this one. Just copy it and call it here. Okay, this one, npm install mines TypeScript arrobas latest. So we are going to run it here. It will take some time. We should have a good connection, but me, I don't have a good connection. We'll wait for it. And also we just update here. It's fine. So we have npm install the first one, and the second one, npm update. Okay, I will do the npm update. In fact, these two commands update the TypeScript version, but it's not showing here in the package JSON. We will see that after running the next command that can update the package.json. So also it will take some time. So for this step, let's say that we mark it that we have already did it. And in the application projects in directory, we have to run this command that updates from Angular 14 to 15. We have to wait for the npm update. We have no choice. And until this will do the installation, I will check this even if we didn't did it yet. And for those steps are not very important to us because this application it's not um, um, it's not big, and those things that are mentioned here are not used in the projects. I have already verified all those instructions, so you have just to do just this one, and you can read them. I will see. And also I want to mention if the template that you are using it's Angular 15, you have not to do this upgrade. But if you have a version in your laptop of Angular and you have in the template another version, it will not work for you. So it's for this reason that we do this upgrade to have the same version of Angular. Okay. We have to wait. And finally, after doing the update of TypeScript, we now do the update of Angular version, and we after doing this update, we are going to see that this package.json will be updated from the version 14 to the version 15. We'll close it to see the updates after this comment. Okay. she updates using package manager in okay, switching dependency. And now we are, if you see here, we are updating what? We are updating the file package.json. Okay. We see all the changes that Angular, for example here, Angular CLI, it's now 15 and it was before 14, and compiler CLI also it was 14 and now it's 15. And here we are installing the packages and updating the package.json. We will take a look here, and you will see here now we have the CLI and Google CLI, not Google but Angular CLI. It's now 15. All these things that we, and you will see also TypeScript. At the beginning it was 4.7 and now it's .9. Okay. You should have a good connection, good Wi-Fi. This will take time, but when you have a good connection, this will not take this all this time. So okay, until we wait for this installation, we just go through the application and we see. Here is the code here, the application. We have here the containers, the icons, and here some views like pages like login and the error page. To the register page, we'll see this after. Also all the views that are used in the application, in the templates, are used here. Here the default layout. This is the header that we have on all on all the templates. This is the default header, and also this is the default footer. And also we have here the navs. Let's see what we have here. Okay, the navs are things that we have in the menu. You have the list group, the collapse, the all things, tables. We will see this. And also the default layout components here. What we have here, and we have yes, we have the header, of course. This is the default layout. It contains the header that we talked about, and also we have the footer, and here we have the router outlet. Here we have the pages. This is what changed. Okay, and after that, if you want me to do a tutorial to just explain different components and the code, just let me know and write it in the comment, because in this video we just I would just want to install and use to download and use a free Angular template. Okay, everything it's fine now. We just run the application. We do ng serve to compile the application, and we will see what will give us. As I said before, if you want me to do a tutorial explaining the code and what's the code here, what is doing here, just let me know it in the comments. So to go and run the application, what we do, we open it on localhost, and the port is 4220. Just everything is taking times for the first time. Okay. Oh, finally, compiled it successfully, and here we see that is loading, and we will see what we obtain as a result. Okay, this is our template after downloading. We have here, as I said, the header. This is the header, and also here is the footer. Here is the menu, and the only place that change is here. We have here, as I have already shown you, if you want to see just colors or typography, base. Here we have the views. You remember the tab, and also the login page. You can use these tables. We have here many type of buttons, form, charts, pages. Okay, we have just here to see the login page, the error page also, and everything. So I want just to remember you what we have did in this video. We start by downloading the template. As I told you, remember to look for the template that you want to use, not from the website, but from the GitHub repository. And also after that, we check our package.json to know what is the version of Angular that is used in the template. If it's lower than the version that we have in our laptop, we do the upgrade of Angular by specifying from 2 versions, and just do the steps that we have here. And finally we run the command ngserve, as I did here, ngserve, and we go to localhost and the port is 4200. That's all for this video. If you want me to explain the code of this template and to show you how to add some, for example, some things in the menu, or to do new pages here, let me know it in the comments. And don't forget to like the video if you find it useful, and subscribe